Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to search for a word in Google Docs. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and search for Google Docs here. Then click on this first link, and then from here click on this link where it says go to Docs, and make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account. Okay, then click on this blank page here, and now basically I will type something here. Okay, so I will type here like hello, my world is this maybe. Okay, so I have typed this line here, and now to search from your from your document here, if you want to search for some specific words, you will just press Ctrl plus F from your keyboard. Okay, so press Ctrl plus F, and here you can see this option where it says find in document. So let's suppose if I wanted to search for this word here, I will type here in world, basically like this one, and now here you can see that I have typed this word, and the word here is highlighted as a green because I have this word in my doc here. Okay, so that's how you can basically search for the word in Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.